COVID-19 pandemic is seriously affecting Peruvians. The Amazon regions are even more vulnerable, given the high prevalence of diseases and the limited health services available. The Alliance for the Amazon Against COVID-19, a CEDRO project with technical and financial support from USAID, has been working in the regions of Huánuco, Junín, Loreto, Pasco, San Martín, and Ucayali to mitigate health, social, and economic impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. Focusing on vulnerable populations and native communities in the Amazon, we are intervening strategically through communication for behavioral change. Collective community communication actions involving the population aim to raise awareness about the transmission and prevention of COVID-19. These involve preventative measures, the convenience of receiving the vaccine, and the adoption of new healthy behaviors. The work with community agents and their commitment to containing the pandemic in coordination with Native communities has been guaranteeing the sustainability of COVID-19 prevention measures. Community agents are important in vaccination campaigns against COVID-19, supporting the work of nurses from the different health networks of the Peruvian Ministry of Health, and dispelling myths and doubts about the vaccine. Guidance, counseling, and emotional support. Through actions of emotional support, together with the Esperanza Amazonica Medical Program of Peru, we are seeking to generate resilient behavior in the face of the pandemic, providing virtual and face-to-face spaces for psychological counseling, motivation, and the strengthening of resilient behavior for people who request it, as well as referrals in critical cases. Technicians and health professionals from the public sector, as well as community health agents, teachers, parents, university students, and organized groups are also being trained and updated on mental health and psychological first aid. Economic recovery. The project proposes a comprehensive route towards economic recovery, which begins with training and financial education, strengthening autonomy and capabilities to enable the managing of family finances. Business training management is provided, generating and improving business models for individual and collective organizations. The initiatives with the greatest potential receive economic incentives for equipment and supplies, technical and productive assistance, support in the opening of markets, and financing through ADRA. All of these strategies involve adaptations to social, cultural, and economic dynamics, and incorporate gender equity and environmental protection to promote the sustainable development of the Amazon. The work carried out by CEDRO, with the collaboration of USAID, would not be possible without the support of public and private institutions in Peru, with whom the work is shared in different locations where the project is intervening. In this way, the Alliance for the Amazon Against COVID-19, during 2 years of intervention, continues to face the pandemic by promoting healthy lifestyles and contributing to the improvement of the quality of life of Peruvians in the Amazon.